Good morning, custodians, and welcome to video 1 of chapter 1 of civics power sharing. In this video we will discuss about the power sharing arrangement in Belgium. So let's start. Power sharing. Power sharing refers to an arrangement to accommodate the various social, religious and political differences. In this chapter, the example of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka, is given to show the various power sharing arrangements and how these arrangements have been arrived for. So let's start from Belgium. When we see Belgium, this is the map of Belgium. In this is the capital city Brussels. This is the region in the north which is known as the Flemish region. Out of the total population of Belgium, 59% of population lives in this Flemish region and they are Dutch speakers, that is they speak Dutch language. Out of the total population, 40% of population lives in the southern region which is known as Wallonia, and here the people they speak French. So we have the Dutch speakers here in Flemish region and the French speakers here in Wallonia region. Now these are 59% out of the total population, this is 40%. What about the remaining 1%? They are living in Brussels, the capital city, and here the people, the 1% people, they are German speakers, that is they speak German. In the capital city, the population composition is still different. We can see in the country except the capital, the Dutch speakers are in majority, that is 59% are Dutch speakers and living in Flemish region, and the French speakers are in minority, that is 40%, and they are living in this Wallonia region. But in the capital city the situation is totally opposite. In the capital city, 80% people they speak French and 20% people they speak Dutch. Now this is somewhat complex composition of the population. In the country, the group which is in majority becomes the minority in the capital, and in the country the group which is in minority becomes the majority in the capital. So as we know, the central government or the central activities related to the government, they are controlled and guided from the capital. This was a difference. Also, due to the totally opposite composition in the country and in the capital, the tension between the two groups, that is the Dutch speakers and French speakers, it rose. Everyone demanding greater greater importance for themselves, and they wanted to have a surplus over the other. This created a tension between the period from 1950 to 1960. The tension was there. Now what should be done in such a case? There the leaders, they were very optimistic and they were very far sight seeing. What they did, they introduced a special arrangement. They recognized the regional differences and cultural diversities which were existing, and a new form of power sharing arrangement was introduced. For this, the constitution was amended 4 times. Now amendment of constitution is to bring about the changes in different terms and conditions which are mentioned in the constitution, with the support of all the members who are there in the parliament or in the government. So the constitution was amended from 1970 to 1993 4 times. Within the time period of 23 years, 4 times the constitution amendment took place. And what was the new arrangement? According to the new arrangement, within the capital the central government will be there, and in the central government the number of ministers, central ministers from both communities, that is the Dutch speakers and the French speakers, it was made equal, so that no group can claim their superiority over the other. Second was the many powers of the central government, they were given to the state government. Now there were two state governments, one for the Flemish region and second one for the Wallonia region, which was the southern region of Belgium. So many powers of the central government were given to the state government, both state governments, and in this way the state governments became independent. They were no longer to work as a subordinate to the central government that was existing in the capital. Apart from the central and state government, a third form of government, that is the community government, was elected by the people belonging to one language, that is the Dutch, French and German. This government was to look into the matters of social, cultural and education and language related issues. So this was the arrangement that was created in Belgium. Although the population was complex, but this arrangement created a peaceful environment where every community got equal participation, and this arrangement is still existing. Now power sharing, you can say it is an important feature of democracy. As we know, democracy is a form of government in which the peoples, they elect their representatives by means of general vote. That means ki every section of the society gets an equal representation. So this model of Belgium, the power sharing model of Belgium, is, you can say, a form of democratic setup which gives another alternative for the democracies to exist peacefully and successfully in different parts of world. That's all we have in this video. In the next video we will see the power sharing arrangements in Sri Lanka. Thank you and have a nice day.